I lost 20 kgs in 2014 and I have managed to keep this weight off for the entire 8 years. Definitely there are on days when there's some festival at home or I'm going on some holidays or there's something or the other and I put on a few 2 or 3 kgs, but over the years I've learned how I can reduce those 2 and 3 kgs very fast in a healthy way. So over the years, there are lots of tips and tricks that I have learned that you can only learn when you've experienced it. But luckily for you, I am here to tell you how you can lose your weight before the new year starts. Usually on New Year's, people are making New Year resolutions that they will start losing weight in the next year and they will start going to the gym or they will start eating healthy. But this time, we are going to do things differently. We're going to start our weight loss journey before the new year starts. So when we enter 2023, we're already fit and healthy and are ready to take our fitness to the next level and not just start it. So today, I'm going to share with you 5 simple, easy steps that I have learned over the years that if you implement in your life, I am sure that you will lose 2 to 3 kgs before the year starts. So the first change that I made and have kept the change on for 8 years is quit refined sugar. It is not that I do not eat sugar anytime, but I have managed to learn to control my sugar cravings, and over the years I do not crave sugar that I used to do before. It is not about restricting yourself but about adapting your taste to something that is much healthier and tastier than just refined sugar. Refined sugar not only increases your weight and your belly fat, but it also is the major reason to many other diseases like obesity, diabetes and high blood pressure. But quitting only sugar is not easy. Some people say that they will just quit eating sugar and they will not add sugar in their morning tea, but sugar creeps in your life, in your food, in a very sneaky way. The most common is ketchup. So I'm sure you must have heard about high fructose corn syrup. So this is found in a lot of food items that we eat on a daily basis and we don't even realize that it has sugar in it. The first is ketchup. I'm sure everybody has ketchup in their houses, but they do not realize that it is full of sugar and it is not any natural taste and it could lead to weight gain. The second is canned soups and canned fruits. So have you ever wondered why do canned fruits taste much sweeter than the regular fruits that you buy? It is because it has this syrup. So quitting refined sugar is not the only way. You need to realize where sugar creeps in your life, like in ketchup or canned fruits or canned items, and even quit eating this. The alternatives that I found which worked very well for me were that I always start my day with some kind of fruit. This already satisfied my sweet cravings for the day, and throughout the day I never craved sugar. The second point that I implemented in my life to lose 20 kgs is that I reduced having food from outside and tried to have maximum food from home. So previously it was very common that I'm eating outside food, eating junk food for about 3 or 4 days every week. But we reduced this to just maximum once a week, and that is only your lunch or your dinner on weekends, not both. So this has played a very big role in losing weight and especially in helping me maintain the weight. I not only now eat home cooked meals on most of the days, but we have even stopped ordering food at home and we try to eat maximum home cooked meals. And I'm sure you will see a big change in your weight if you do this. The third point is, this is one point that I neglected in the beginning of my fitness journey. So I had lost about 8 or 9 kgs and then my weight just stopped reducing. I thought I had hit a plateau. So again tried to make my eating habits a little cleaner. I tried to work out more, but that was not the reason that I was not gaining weight. The reason was that I was not getting sufficient sleep. As soon as I switched to this, as soon as I slept for 7 to 8 hours every night, this is when the change happened and automatically my weight started reducing and even my skin started getting better. So we do not realize the amount of stress your body goes through because you're working out regularly and you're again changing your eating habits. Your body definitely needs to rest and needs to repair itself. So you might be doing everything, but the one thing that you might not be doing which is causing your weight to increase and not reduce is sleep. So make sure you get enough sleep every night. The fourth point is the most obvious point of all, is to start working out. Now I'm sure working out, you do not have the time every day to work out, but you can do at least 30 minutes for yourself. You can try waking up a little earlier or you can try to sneak in 30 minutes anywhere throughout your day. This workout that has personally helped me lose and shed tons of weight is high intensity interval training. So make sure that you're working out 30 minutes a day, at least 5 times a week. I'm sure you will not only lose a lot of weight, but you will get stronger, you will feel confident, and you will just feel so active throughout the day. And the fifth and last point is that just stay active throughout the day. I'm sure you must have heard that take the stairs instead of the lift, but you might be wondering that what difference does it make? But this makes a big difference in your life when you make the choice to just walk a few miles instead of taking your car. If you just decide to take the stairs instead of the elevator, or if you just start becoming a little active throughout the day, this ends up in burning a ton of calories in total at the end of the day. So even if you're working out 30 minutes a day, make sure that you're active throughout the day. This doesn't even make you realize that you're working out, but you're burning so many calories and you're just getting stronger and fitter. So these were my 5 points that will definitely help you lose a lot of weight, at least 2 to 3 kgs before the new year starts. So make sure that this 2023, we not only make our fitness resolutions, but also work on them. Let me know in the comments below which point you find hardest, and I will reply back to you telling you how you can make it easier and fit it in your lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We upload new videos every week. We upload health and fitness tips, physiotherapy tips, quick workouts that are very easy to do, even no equipment workouts. So do check out all these videos. Also follow us on Instagram, gofit.arwa, where we post daily health and fitness tips. Our studio is located in Salmiya, Kuwait, where we have women fitness classes, men fitness classes, personal training and physiotherapy. So if you want to train with us and get in the best shape of your lives, comment below and we will help you to get started. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys next week.